Hey, what's up, Travis? Quick demo video for you for your 2.0 Scrapflex. This was made from a Grapflex 2.0 kit. It's installed the Golden Harvest V3 that you wanted. I don't do very many of these boards, so it's pretty fun to do these when I get the opportunity. You've got CC Sabers in here for your lit PCB. This is a 2-button setup, so your front switch over here will be your activation, and then your back tactile over here will be your auxiliary. I set this up as button mode 2. As you know, on Golden Harvest, there's several different ones you can choose from. I chose a simple one that gave me activation and then gave me an auxiliary function, but you can change that to do whatever you want to do, right? What you want to do is just unscrew the handle here. We'll take this off. I don't know who built this or if you did, but it's a very nice Scrapflex. Once you take this off, you'll see your chassis. I'll pop this battery out real quick. I was just testing it. What you'll have is your chassis, your Golden Harvest board. It is glued down to the shelf here, but you can get to your SD card. You can pop it in and out with your finger just like that. So you never have to move the board. You got a kill switch that you wanted right here. So that's up here. You've got a removable battery setup, spring side over here. You did provide the 28mm speaker that came from CC Sabers, so that's what you've got in here, and it's fully enclosed. What else did we do? It says Solo Sabers over here for me in Arabesh, and then right across here in Arabesh it says Scrapflex. I was able to fit that in there. I thought it was pretty cool. And then on these 2.0 kits, what they usually have is they got this little cutout here. It's for a wire passage that goes underneath the Grapflex shell. But because yours is exposed in the chassis, what I did was I made this little holder for a single neopixel accent. So when you light up your Saber, you'll get some light and shine through right here as well, just as just something I like to do when I see the opportunity to add a little bit of extra bling. We'll put a battery in. I'll show you what I mean. Of course, you won't hear anything until you come over here and flip the switch. And then we'll hit power. And you can see how that's lit up right there. I'll turn the slide off. But you got that shine through right there. We'll turn it off. And we'll throw the handle on it. It sounds really good with the handle on. There's plenty of room for sound resonance. And then because that speaker is fully enclosed, it sounds the best as it could, right? So we'll throw it on, fire it up. With the handle on, you can see that right there. We'll go ahead and throw a blade in it. It takes a 7/8 inch diameter blade. This is your blade retention screw down here. So you just want to make sure this is backed out of the socket. I'm going to turn the Saber on as I put the blade in because the blade's super tight. You might want to do some sanding to your blade right here. And if you are putting it in and it's super tight, go ahead and turn the Saber on while you put it in. That way you know when you hit those pins and you can stop and you won't mash up against all those pins. It's in a PCB holder that's held in by one set screw. It is pretty tight, but if you just go wrenching on this blade and pushing past it, you will dislodge it, right? We'll turn that on, come down a little bit. I gave you some very good blade depth, so it's pretty far down there. Right there. And we'll turn it off. And then once I get there, I'll come over here and you can use your blade retention. That is just a little trick I do to make sure I don't put too much stress on those pins, right? But turn it on. Little flash on flash. Change the color, just hold down aux and hit power. And then when your blade color changes, your accent down here will change because it's running in line with your blade. Change it again. Now we got a green. I try to twist off. So I'm just used to Profi. We hold down aux.
Sound menu.
The shadow. Cryocarbon.
I'm just using power to cycle through. If we like this one, we'll just hold it down. Hold down aux. Sorry. Changing through some colors. Like that blue shine through. We'll do it again. Hold down auxiliary.
Sound menu.
Eternal Prince.
Daddy issues complete.
Daddy issues. We'll hold down aux. And now we've chosen that. And everything's working nice. You got your nice smooth swing. Your flash on clash. We'll turn it off. And then we'll take the blade out. So just loosen up this guy and pull it straight out, just like this. I put your NeoPixel right there, right? So you've got all that blade depth. It'll hold a blade, no problem. Your bubble strip is in there with, it's in there with the holder. And then it has two springs on. It's got a spring over here and a spring over here to help hold that card in place, but still keep the tactile feel, right? We'll come over here and take the handle off, and I'll show you that the kill switch is working too. So we'll just turn it on. And then come over here and flip the switch. And it kills everything just like it should. So that's pretty much your Scrapflex. Let me know if you got any questions. And if not, I will try to get this out in the mail to you by Monday morning. All right? Thanks.